Prepare yourself for a mind-bending journey in today's video, where you're about to uncover an ancient secret with the potential to transform your entire existence. Imagine wielding 3 simple words that have the power to reshape your world. Intriguing, right? Can you imagine the life you've always dreamed of, unlocked by just those 3 words? Get ready to be captivated. Neville Goddard, revered as a spiritual luminary, left an indelible mark with teachings that resonate even today. Today's exploration, you're about to dive into one of Neville Goddard's most potent techniques, an incredible trio of words that can shape your world. With this magical 3-word technique, your deepest desires materialize and your goals take form, all with just the utterance of 3 seemingly ordinary words. It's a remarkable journey waiting for you. The magic lies in these words' ability to transform desires into manifestations. Whether chasing a dream, finding fulfillment, or even rewriting your life's script, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about wishful thinking. It's about invoking change and steering your destiny towards abundance and joy. Now, imagine a life where manifesting your aspirations is as easy as breathing. That's the potential encapsulated within this technique. Neville Goddard's 3-word method isn't just a promise, it's a catalyst for profound shifts. It's your opportunity to harness the forces of the universe and steer them towards your ambitions. Get ready to immerse yourself in the wisdom that has altered countless lives. Join this journey as we unravel the simplicity and grandeur of these 3 words, igniting a path toward manifesting your wildest dreams. Are you prepared to wield this mystical power and watch your reality transform? Let's unravel this extraordinary technique together. Before I get into the technique, let me share an amazing true story of a person close to me who used Neville Goddard's technique to completely change the course of their life. This acquaintance was in dire need of money, had lost their job, and was on the verge of giving up. Money in short supply, no employment, the rent is almost due. However, fate brought her to discover Neville Goddard's method, which served as a ray of hope during her lowest point. With nothing to lose, she embraced this wonderful technique, placing her faith in the hands of fate. In just 2 months, the unimaginable transpired. She manifested a high-paying job that not only alleviated her financial burdens, but also provided a residence near her workplace. Miraculously, she managed to settle all her debts, a feat once deemed impossible in such a short span. It may sound unbelievable, but I stand witness to this incredible transformation. Witnessing her journey inspired me deeply, compelling me to adopt the 3-word manifestation technique in my own life. The rapidity and magnitude of her turnaround, achieved merely by trusting in those 3 simple words, ignited a belief in the unfathomable potential of this technique. Let me share a crucial insight often overlooked by many gurus or influencers when it comes to using Neville Goddard's technique. How do I know? I walked the same path, encountering stumbling blocks on my journey to manifesting happiness and abundance. Initially, instead of attracting my desires, I unintentionally drew in precisely what I sought to evade. What triggered this thing to happen? It originated from a situation of lack. Even while I chanted those mystical phrases, my attention was fixed on what I didn't want, unintentionally drawing more of it into my existence. This personal experience taught me a very important and straightforward lesson. Always focus on your goals and the good things in life. The law of attraction states that optimism generates positivity. In my experience, thinking about the things I wanted to stay away from serving as a magnet for those very things, bringing them back. It was an awakening, the understanding that attraction is determined by the concentration of the mind. My mind became obsessed with what I didn't want, and the universe obliged. And so, the important lesson became clear. Focus your mind on what you want rather than what you want to avoid. Attracting the correct energy requires aligning one's desires and thoughts to resonate positively. I know I have been hemming you for long now, waiting for the magical words. The 3 words are, isn't it wonderful? Repeat those 3 enchanting words, isn't it wonderful, isn't it wonderful, isn't it wonderful, letting them echo like gentle ripples while visualizing your desired life. You align your thoughts and emotions with the manifestation process. Repeat the sentence starting with isn't it wonderful, and add your desires along with the sentence. For example, isn't it wonderful that we are going to look at apartments next week? Or isn't it wonderful something marvelous is happening to me now? Isn't it wonderful good things are coming soon? You add your desires according to your needs. You can even take a journal and write it down for your comfort. When you silently echo affirmations like isn't it wonderful that, you're training your mind to fixate on your desires rather than your fears or doubts. It's akin to shifting your mindset from questioning why me to pondering why things are aligning positively for you. It's like a mental diet, honing your focus on your aspirations. However, manifesting isn't solely about repetition. It serves as a cue to keep your goals at the forefront of your thoughts. According to Neville Goddard, feelings are the secret to embodying the state of the wish fulfilled. So the most important part of the exercise is to focus on how you feel. Whatever your situation is, build your scene as if it has already happened, and you are living in the present with your desire now. Get involved in the feelings of already having your desire and make it feel real. When you achieve clarity, you paint a vivid image of your desires in both your conscious and subconscious realms. This clear vision becomes a guiding beacon in your journey towards manifestation. Through conditioning, you guide your logical mind to embrace your truth, the sensation of already possessing what you yearn for. When you do this, you align with the reality you wish to create. It's about instilling a belief system that harmonizes both your conscious aspirations and your subconscious beliefs. It's like conditioning your mind to accept this truth. You pave the way for the manifestation of your desires. You'll know you've experienced this state when you are not waiting for your desire to come, because your desire is already here. Your desire becomes your natural state of being. This alignment between your conscious desires and your subconscious beliefs serves as a powerful force in the manifestation process, forging a path toward actualizing your dreams. If you want to make your dreams come true, try using visualization and SATS state akin to sleep. They go hand in hand with the Isn't It Wonderful method and make it even more powerful. You can even use this Isn't It Wonderful technique in the morning, and trust me, it works like a charm. You feel more confident and more active throughout the day. Visualize your goals in your mind, while SATS helps rewire your brain when you're almost asleep. When you team up 2 different techniques, it boosts your chances of making things happen the way you want them to. Bring these methods together and find a complete way to make things happen. Affirmations keep nudging you towards your goals, but visualization and SATS take it further. They link what you want consciously with what you believe deep down. By mixing these methods, you build a stronger system for turning your dreams into real life. Trust me, it's like creating a roadmap that connects what you think about during the day with what your mind believes when you're drifting off to sleep. This combination acts as a powerful tool to shape your desires into reality. If you've tried this technique and it's worked wonders for you, drop your success stories in the comments below. Share your experiences. Let's celebrate together. It's incredible, isn't it? Amazing things are headed your way. Keep the positivity flowing.